Let me show you how to add a custom signature to your Gmail agent. So follow me to my desktop right now. Welcome to Jotform. My name is George, and on this video, I am going to show you how to add a signature to your Gmail agent. Now, don't be mistaking this with the signature that you have on Gmail. This is a separate one that you're going to create here on the Jotform agent. So let me show you how. Now, this is my Jotform dashboard, and we are currently in the main workspace. We're going to find all our agents, forms, apps, etc. But we're going to go into my workspace, and we're going to go directly to my agents. This is where you're going to find a list of agents. Select the agent where you want to enable this feature. So in this case, I'm going to use this agent, which is Jake agent, and I'm going to edit the agent. Now in this section, there's several channels available on the left. Select the Gmail agent, and on the right, we have this gear icon that we are going to select. Once we enable that, we have this option, email signature. By default, it's using the Gmail account signature. What signature is that one? Well, if you go to your Gmail account, this is an email, go to the gear icon, go to settings, scroll down here, and you'll find here, signature. In this case, I do not have any signatures, but if I had a signature, that's the signature that it's going to use in this case. But if I want to create my custom signature, I'm going to click on add custom signature. And that way I am not making any modifications on the actual Gmail account. I'm going to use this signature when it generates the drafts, when generating them here from the Jotform agent. Okay, so now I'm going to add my agent here. So I'm going to add my name, which is Jorge Aguilar, maybe a phone number, just for testing purposes, maybe some details here, etc. Here we go. And we have options to make, for example, my name bold, maybe a italic look. I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to select it. Let's go ahead and change the color, make it grayish. And I have the option to do text alignment. I can insert a link, maybe some links to my social media accounts, or add an image, which is something that I think is really useful because you can add an image of yourself, like a little square there, which makes it look professional. So you can add your signature right here. Now, once you do that and you set the add custom signature, when it's going to generate the drafts via the Jotform Gmail agent, it'll automatically add this signature instead of using the signature that you have by default on your Gmail account. Now, as I mentioned, in this case, I don't have a signature, but if I did, it would use it unless I use the add custom signature. So it's super easy to do it here on Jotform. Now you can also add the signature in this section. So if you go to the publish tab, go to Gmail agent, go to settings, and in settings, you also have the same option, add signature, and you can add it straight from here. Remember, if you don't want to use this feature, use Gmail account signature. So you have both options available there at your fingertips. So please let me know here in the comments what you think about this feature to add your custom signature and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that is a wrap.